Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you 11 ways to fix Roblox if it's not launching. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix Roblox if it's not launching? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so, excuse me, how to fix Roblox not launching. And this is a 2023 update. This is for Get Droid tips and it's very accurate, it's very specific. So it's steps that you can do. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into this troubleshooting guide. And the first one on how to fix Roblox if it's not launching is to run as administrator, plain and simple. So it's possible that your Roblox launcher doesn't have admin access to your system to run it properly. So in that scenario, the game launcher won't launch easily as the system does not allow it to. So to have it work, what you want to do is to right click on the Roblox exe shortcut from your PC on the desktop and then select properties and then click on the compatibility tab. After that, enable the run this program as an administrator checkbox. And then lastly, click on apply and select OK to save changes. So once you've enabled the admin access for Roblox launcher on the desktop, on your Windows PC, you can open it without any errors. However, if you're receiving the same error, if it still doesn't work, step 2 is the go-to. So sometimes a corrupted or missing app data folder of the game may start conflicting with the game itself. So you need to remove the app data folder on your computer and so that you can refresh it. So to do this, go to File Explorer and go to the following directory. If you've installed Roblox on a different directory, then you need to go there. So this is the directory right here. It's users, your username, app data, local. So go to app data and then go to local and then search for the Roblox folder and double click on it to open. Make sure to copy paste all files of this app data folder as a backup. So make a copy of that somewhere, just in case it doesn't work. Once you're done, select the app data folder and then press Shift Delete, permanently delete it. And then reboot your computer to apply the changes. So you need to restart your computer. And then you can try launching Roblox on your computer again. The deleted app data files will be created automatically once you launch Roblox. So most of the time that works, but if it doesn't, you need to go to step 3 and proxy server of LAN is disabled. If the proxy server is enabled for some reason on your computer for the LAN settings, then the chances are high enough that you may experience issues with the Roblox launching or connecting to the server. So that's an issue. So you need to disable the proxy server on the LAN. And to do that, you need to click on the start menu, search for the internet options by typing it, then open it. Go to the connections tab and then click on the LAN settings option. Under the proxy server title, you'll see use a proxy server for your LAN. You need to uncheck it or disable it so that it's going to be turned off. Once that's done, check out OK to save the changes, and then make sure you need to reboot your PC so that the effects, so that the changes can take effect immediately. So, yeah, that's pretty much how to do it if that's an issue. Step 4 is to flush DNS server. Maybe the IP configuration or DNS server has become corrupted on your computer. So if that's the case, your system may not be able to connect to the game servers or online streaming services. So to fix this, go to the start menu. Like this, right? Go to the start menu, type CMD on the search bar, right? CMD like this, and then click on the correct command prompt, right? Then the command prompt will open like this, right? Type the following command and hit enter. So ipconfig / flush DNS. We're not going to do that because we don't have Roblox. So ipconfig space / flush DNS. This method will successfully flush a DNS resolver cache on your computer, and then you need to restart your computer and then try to run Roblox again to see if it works. Now, if it doesn't, step 5 is check Roblox server status. If none of the above methods work for you, try to check the official Roblox server status page to see whether there is a technical issue on their servers. Because a lot of times Roblox servers will go down, and if this is an issue with the service, that means you just have to wait until the they continue the service until the servers are back up again. However, if this is not a problem and all servers are running well, step 6 is power cycle your router. So this is basically restarting your router. So coming to the networking device, if you're using the wired connection or Ethernet on your PC, make sure to switch to the wireless Wi-Fi network to check for the issue. Otherwise, you're only using Wi-Fi, then try performing the power cycle of your router. So you need to turn off the Wi-Fi router and then wait for the LED indicators to stop blinking, and then unplug the power adapter and wait for around 30 seconds to a minute, right? And then plug it back on and turn on the router, and then finally set up the IP configuration again and connect to the networks to check for the issue if it's still an issue. Most of the time, this kind of works. If it's a router issue, if it's a connection issue, this will solve it. But if it doesn't, you can try another browser, right? If in case you're using a web browser on the computer to access and play Roblox games, like most people do, then try to checking the same Roblox website on a different browser. If you're using Chrome, maybe try Microsoft Edge, Safari, or hell, Internet Explorer, right? Sometimes it can also be possible that the existing web browser has some issues with cache data, glitch, extension issues with browsing history, etc. Like right now, Chrome has this thing that's going on it's been persisting for like 2 weeks now, that if you type something, it's gonna just be the all default Google, like very bright white screen. And if you do it again, it's gonna go back to like dark mode. Like I have dark mode, so that kind of like with Chrome that has an issue. So anyway, step 8 is to update your graphics drivers. This is very self-explanatory. So make sure to try to update your graphics drivers on your PC, whether it's NVIDIA or others. So press Windows plus X, Windows X, open Quick Start menu. Now click on Device Manager from the list. Double click on Display Adapters. Right click on the dedicated graphics card that you're using. So we can do that. Windows X. There you go. And then Quick Start menu, right, will appear. And then go to Device Manager, right? Let's go there. But we can do this. So, and then we just go to Display Adapters, and you can see this is our GPU. Before is GTX 1660. Right click on it. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. And as you can see, best drivers for your device are already installed. So if that's the thing, well, we go to step 9, which is update Windows OS build. So we always recommend our readers to try update Windows OS build. Their readers, I mean, this website. Yeah, updated system may be unstable, so that can help. Like I would have games that I haven't had a Windows update for a long time, and it kind of like messes up with the game. So press Windows plus I, right? And then click Update and Security, right? So Update and Security, or here on Windows 11, Windows Update, and you can click Check for updates. And most of the time, it's this is gonna take a bit. As you can see, you're up to date. Number 10, close background running tasks. So if there are programs that you do not use, close them, right? Control-Shift-Escape to open up Task Manager, and then go to the Processes tab, click on Select, right? Do this. Processes, as you can see here. And just remove the ones that you don't need, right? And then once it's done, you restart your computer, and that's probably gonna fix the issue or not. At least perform a clean boot. Performing a clean boot on your Windows computer may also help you fix multiple system performance issues. It basically disables all unnecessary startup third-party programs on the system. So to do this, press Windows R to open the Run dialog box, and then type msconfig, and hit Enter to open system configuration. Once the window is open, head over to the Services tab. And on the Services tab, hide all Microsoft Services checkbox, and then click on Disable All, and then click OK and close the window, and then reboot your computer to fix it. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.